If you want your travel videos to look like this, instead of this, keep watching. My name is C, and vlogging is hard. For years, I avoided vlogging because I was too nervous to film in public. I always just stand behind the camera. But this tiny camera changed everything for me. Whether you already have an Osmo Pocket 3 or you're thinking about getting one, I'm gonna show you the specific settings and techniques I use to create cinematic travel videos when I am filming myself. Let's start with the basic setting that will instantly improve your footage. The most important setting for cinematic quality is your frame rate. I usually shoot in 4K 24 frames per second. To access this, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and adjust your resolution and frame rate. This gives that cinematic look you see in the movies. However, if you are gonna post this as a reel on Instagram, definitely suggest you actually shoot at 4K at 30 frames per second, just because when you upload the file to Instagram, they process it as a 30 frame per second video. Here's how I overcome my shyness. I'm not super extroverted, even though in the vlog I might seem like it. I get scared all the time when vlogging in public. Here's my personal tips, and I really hope that help you. Even though I do vlog in public, majority of the time, if you look carefully, I only really do talking headshot in a quiet space where there's no people around me. I only shoot B-roll when I'm in a crowded spot, because then I can do a voiceover later. But for talking headshot like this, I either do it in the car, at home, like where I am right now, or I'm doing it at a space that no people can make direct eye contact with me. I do get shy when I vlog in public. I've been vlogging maybe for 3 months now, maybe 6 months, but technically 3 months. So what I often do is I just vlog in the car before I go to a new location, like here now. If you got the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, you will have this wide lens, which you can put it in your case. This case will fit up to 2 lenses. Take the wide lens out, and then just put it here. Okay, so now I'll just talk in front of the camera. I just arrived to the beach, and today it's quite sunny. It's been raining all week. So today I'm actually gonna show you how I use Osmo Pocket 3 to film. Now let's talk about what makes this camera perfect for solo travelers and vloggers, especially if you're nervous about filming in public. Its size. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is so small that most people don't even notice I am filming. This immediately reduced my anxiety about vlogging in public. A practical tip that helped me overcome my shyness with filming in public is act like you're just another tourist taking vacation videos. Most people are too busy with their own lives to pay attention to what you are doing. And remember, the camera itself is so small that most people don't even know you're filming. But what really changed the game for me is the tracking feature. When I move, I can just put the camera somewhere in public. The camera will follow me automatically. This means I don't need anyone to help me film, which is perfect for solo travel. So right now I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the face tracking. Sometimes I like the look of it just because it's more steady. But if you want more like continuous feels like someone's filming you, face tracking works really well. To activate the tracking, you hit the left middle button and it will say face detached. Then you hit confirmed. If you're planning to shoot yourself from a further distance, I suggest you actually connect to a DJI Mimo app. You can directly control it without touching the camera, which I found it quite useful when you're trying to shoot a wide shot like this. Right now, I'm actually using the DJI Mimo app and I can see myself in frame. You can start the tracking by touching your face. This is me, and now it's gonna track me. Once the green light starts, then you're ready. The app allows you to review the recording from before, and then you remotely control the camera, and also you can activate your face tracking here. Even without the DJI Mimo app, I know that I will be in frame because of the tracking mode. The extra noise you can hear from the microphone is from the necklace. So this is a reminder that if you wear a necklace and you're gonna put your microphone near there, I definitely suggest you to remove your necklace if you want a cleaner sound. There are 3 color modes, but I only suggest you to use the following 2. This is D-Lock M. This is normal color. If you watch the video to here, don't forget to like the video. It truly supports my channel. Since we're at the beach right now, I highly recommend you to actually have an external microphone. So if you get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, this comes with it. I'm going to show you what it sounds like without microphone. This is without the microphone. You can also take a picture with Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm going to show you. With this camera, you can also do slow-mo. Usually slow-mo is good if you're trying to make the film very cinematic. I personally don't really use it unless it's a surf footage, but I'm gonna show you what you're getting. So right now I'm about to drink this kombucha, but to open it, I'm going to do a close-up shot of me opening it. All the frames you're seeing right now, I'm using continuous focus, but for this shot, I will have to change it just because if you still keep it the same, your lens will kind of freak out. We do zoom in and zoom out. I wasn't sure if it's going to focus on your hand or focus on the kombucha. You can change the focus mode by swiping the edge of the right side. Then you scroll to the bottom. You will see continuous focus. It's probably saying continuously because that's what it is out of the box. There's an option for single or product showcase. Product showcase is really good for when you're doing unboxing video. You should definitely test it out and see which one you like. The difference between them right now is not very clear, but usually if you do it indoor, you can see the difference bigger. This is so addicting. I literally just got a whole bag from Costco and I cannot stop eating this. This is probiotic. I'm not even sure, am I allowed to eat this more than one serving? Please comment down below. Are we allowed to eat more than one? Right now, I'm actually sitting quite far from the surfer. So for this camera, you can actually double zoom it, which is pretty cool. You move up the joystick for zoom in, and then you move down the joystick to zoom out. Even though I double zoom it, it might still be hard to see him, but at least you see more of him. A little tip for you. If you hit the right edge, there's a little toggle there. It swaps the zoom to up and down. By just hitting there, you can change the joystick mode without going to the back end. The circle, which is the joystick it can move the camera up and down and zoom in and zoom out. It can move left and right or go up and down. Or if you tap here, it will do zoom in and zoom out, which is super cool. If you walk and you want to use the gimbal, don't walk like this. You should do this. And then you can tilt your lens to the level that you want to follow. This is the most stable you can get when you walk, because it do bounce if you just walk like this. I love this camera because it can do time-lapse. My DSLR cannot even do time-lapse. Time-lapse is very important if you want to show the time has been changing, and usually I use it as a B-roll. Thank you for coming today, and now I'm going to show you the final vlog with all these tips and tricks. I wrote down my setting down in the description if you want to revisit them. If you want to know what accessories to get for Osmo Pocket 3, I linked the video down below. The quickest way to shoot vertical content from horizontal content is by flipping the screen when you're trying to turn it off. Hit continue. Then it will automatically shoot in vertical. Or you can always change it in the setting, but that does take a little bit time. We're at the beach. This is so addicting. I literally just got a whole bag from Costco and I cannot stop eating this. The water is quite dirty because we just rained non-stop for a whole week, but I was surprised that there's still many surfers trying to surf today. I really hope this tips help you vlogging in public, and if you want to know more about the accessories, I did make a video about it last week.